Hello guys, today I am going to tell you about MS Word. So let's open this MS Word file. MS Word is basically Microsoft Word. This is what we call it. And when it's open, you can see this thing. जब आप MS Word को open कर लेते हो तो आपको ये चीज़ें नज़र आती हैं. This is what MS Word is. Now here you can see different kind of list, or you can call it menu. Here you will see different buttons. Whenever you click on the each link, यहाँ पे आपको different किस्म के you will see different kind of things that you can do. See, with every click, you can see that things here are changing. One of the good features of this latest MS Word is, which is also available in 2013. After 2010, I think this feature is included in Microsoft software. 2010 के जो Microsoft software थे उनके बाद ये feature है, which is this thing. You can directly take screenshot. See, just click on this and select the area which you want to take for your screenshot. Suppose this area I want to take my screenshot. See, it's the screenshot that you took. So MS Word जो लेटेस्ट आए हुए हैं 2013-16 उसमें ये टेक्निक है कि आप डायरेक्टली स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो. दिस इज वन ऑफ द गुड टेक्निक्स. इसके अलावा these are different options. Let's start it. Okay, let's start it. Suppose I want to write something like my name is Tahir Khan. I am a civil engineer. I work as a structural engineer in a consultant for around 3 years. So now suppose you want to change the size, so just click on this, select this. how you can select this? अगर आप size change करना चाहते हो तो इसको select करो by double clicking. Okay, so you can select it by double clicking on that and just press this thing. See, the size is increasing. Okay, usually we keep 12. Okay, 12 is the normal size. Now also you can see by default this is there, so you can change the Time New Roman is the standard one that is used. So yeah, इसके अलावा you can also do this thing. Okay, just to make it align, so you can do this. You see, it's now cool. Initially it was like that. So if you make another paragraph uh, like this one, I am making tutorial for Microsoft. See, now this looks like that. If you make it two paras like this, if you select it, so these are now aligned. Like see, now if you do this, it looks like this. But if you select, so it looks cool now. It looks very systematic. It looks like it has been arranged in a proper way. तो ये बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. इस तरह लगता है जैसे आपने इसको अरेंज किया प्रॉपर तरीके से. So this was the introductory tutorial. You can also play with so many things, and inshallah we will talk about the other things that we can do in MS Word in the next tutorial. So if you have anything to say, any suggestions, so up comment box में you can write it in the comment suggestion, please. And at the end I would like to say that do like this video, share it and subscribe it. Okay, thank you very much.